Okay, morning everyone. Welcome to this session number 467. And today we have this challenge. Um, Construct a smallest number from 10. You are given a zero index string 10 and consists of the characters I, meaning increasing and decreasing. Okay, zero index string nums of the length n plus 1 rating using the following conditions. Nums consists of the 1 and 9, where each digit is 1. Okay, if the parent in the I is equal I, then nums in the index I it's minor that the next. Hmm. Okay, and with the DS a positive. Return the lexicographically smallest possible string that meets the conditions. Um, okay, before to continue, let me check the constraints. Parent, the pattern, this is 1, and maximum is between 1 and 8 is the length. And consists only in the letters I and D. Okay. Now, for example, here I have this. The indices 0, 1, and 2, that is this, and 4. Or no, sorry, is 0, 1, 2, and 4. With with nums inside minor that nums in 1, and then it says 3, 5, and 6. 3, 5, 6, 7. Huh? We must have I in nums in index I, it's greater than nums in index I plus 1. Some possible values of the number are, well, this. It can be prevent that one is a smaller possible numbers that meet the condition that is not possible because one is. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Here the zero index nums of the length n plus 1 addition. Nums consists of the digits 1 to 9, where each use at mode 1. Okay. uh-huh. And if the current index, the current character in this case, for example, is this is I, then nums in the index I, in that in the same position, should be minor than the next. Uh, for the reason here appear in increased order because appear one, well, I, yeah. In this case, for example, sorry, uh, here this A, B, and C. And for example, in this case, A need to be minor than B, and B should be minor than C. Yeah. And example, on the lexicographical smallest possible string. Okay, the minor. In this case, I can start with the first always with one. If the next is the same, is two, now is three. And where appear this character, this, in this case is this should be greater than the next. Yeah. And the next, in this case, is I. And I can use the 1, 2, 3 because was used that here the this should have the 4. In this case, for example, the next or the closest number to this is, well, the 5. Now I'm here in the D, in this D. Okay. Now the D should be up greater than the next. Here it's another D. Need be greater than the next. Okay, the next is another B in another D, means that should be greater. Okay, in this case, for example, I reach this, means that I need to know what is the last value that what is the last value use it here. Case is 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 9. This is minor than this. This should have greater than this. This is okay. Now on here, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. I think that I is 1, 2, 3. 1D, this 1A, 3 this. How many numbers are here? 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. Here appear 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Why? 3, 5, 4. Why appear 9? Four, five, 6, 7. In this case, here appear three characters, and the result is 4. Why? Here. Oh, yeah. It's because, for example, in this case, is D means that this, the first should be minor than the next, and the next should be minor than the next after itself. This case, for example, could be, I don't know, 9, 8, and 7. Why appear here 4 digits? I don't understand this. Why? Did you think doing this is this case, for example, 9, 8, 7. 9, 8, 7, and why appeared the 6? I have this though. Why? What is the meaning of the last number? Does not make sense to me. Mm. Okay, you are giving a 0. I think that the extra value should be respect this validation. For example, if is this should be minor, this should be minor. For example, 1. Uh, because this should be greater than the next, and the next is this. Okay, in this case 7. Oh, well, yeah, 6. Okay. Now, I you test. I D I D I D I D. Okay. Okay. Now, what is happening? Well, in this case, we have this button. I need to create one a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with 9 case is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. Now I need to take the first and mm, next. For this, say, I am saying that the next should be greater than this. In this case, I have all the numbers, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have these numbers. Okay, now if I start here, you know what? I will change the color of this because I will be confused with the I together. Now, for example, I am here. The first is this means that the next should be greater. Huh? I think that I can take this and put here. Now the next is this. This should be greater than the next, and I need to count. Hmm. I think that maybe the first is use these values, yeah, for define the minimum because in this way it's more easily. Yeah. Okay, this is number one. In this case, the first is this. I think that I can put here. Now, you know what? I will write this here. Where? No, this. Okay. Now, okay. Okay, the first is this. Now, the next that is this means that this should be minor than the next. Now, the next that is here. Next is here. In next to, I can use the next here. This should be, no, it's here. Yeah, because I need to move in this way. Because this is greater than this. and is greater, this and this. Now this and this. Uh, but no, no, because if I have, for example, I, D, D, I, D, I, and for the new parent, and one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Uh-huh. If I start with the I think that here the minimum values here 3, 4, and 5. And for this, for example, I can start left to right. Here, here, here. Mm-mm. Okay, let me check the solution. Have the DT. And well, in this case, this is I means that the next should be greater than this. In this case, is well, that's is 9. Submit. Result. Correct. Okay. Why? Why? 4, 3, 2. And in this case, mention return the lexicographically smallest possible. I need to try to use at the beginning the minimum values. For example, here, uh, here, for example, I have I that I can put here 1, the 2, 3, and I need to try to use at the beginning all the for example 1, the next should be graded that 1, that is possible because case I am here in the 2, and this should be graded that this case, for example, if I use the 2 here, this is wrong because this should be graded at this, and well, in this case, the next number is 3. I think Mm, I think that I need use the count how many D I have here. In this case is 2, means that I can put here or take sorry this and put this inside. Huh? In this case, this should be greater than this. Case is 1. It's 2. The length is 2, but I need to use 3 because this they are 4, 3, 2. Now this should be minor that this and this. Okay, in this case, I think that is the 5. Oh, now this should be minor this. Now is this B? They should be others. I need to count this. What is the length? The length is 1, 2. If I am here, is take this. Okay. Now for the last, this it should be minor. Oh, in the last minor that is in this case is 1, 4, 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay, I think that the key with this problem is count how many contiguous characters I have. Oh. Okay, now in this case again, the idea is try to count how many values I have here. Eight again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And for example, this case is identify. For example, where appear a letter A, it's only add the minimum and use it. That's it. Okay. Now, for example, the next is this is count how many D's I have. Is 2. 2 plus 1 is equal 3 means that I need use the third element 1, 2, 3. I need use here this, put here, and continue with the others. Yeah. Now the next that is okay is 2. That where is I, it's only enough use the numbers in this way. 2, 5, 6. Now in this case is D, means that 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 2. Okay, I need use this space here, the previous here, and the last here. In this case, it's only count how many Ds I have and put. That's it, I think. Okay. Now here. um, mm, mm, okay. In this case is 1 and it's equal 1. Now the next that is transversal, the parent pattern. Now integer I is 0, meanwhile I is I plus plus. Okay, now okay, now here I'm using this I. It's only paste integer index 0 case I equal this. I okay, this is result equal is increase. Else where is D. Okay, where is D? For example, here the first character is I. Put here is 1. One and this this should be increased. In similar, here is 2, here is 1. Now the next that is this. Okay, in this case is 2, 3. Yeah, case have the value 4, and these have the value of 3. Yeah, because 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, for example, appear the D. Where appear the D, well, it's not execute this, and I need to count how many consecutive D. Yeah, in this case, it's only one counter one. Okay. Now for this, I think that I need to transversal since the current with another one. Yeah, and here I need another index. Figure I equal this, and add j different that this. In this case is the continue execute. Oh, well, it's different. For example, in this case, the first is this. Yeah, continue with the next. Is this? This case, J in, reach this position. This case, this 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 is the 4. case is 4 less the index that is 3, it's equal 1 plus 1 equal 2. Okay, now here num it's equal j less I plus 1. With this, I will get this length. It means means that this, for example, currently the number is 4. Is 4. No, in this case, I don't need increase this because the current number is in the position. Is 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, means that in the position, I need another 4 here. That's that transversal since while j greater equal I, j less, and here is result, the position j equal in this case is 1. I need another bigger m, it's equal n plus num. In this case n, 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, means that I need to put here m less, yeah. Okay, in this scenario, for example, I am here, and currently the number n it's equal 4. Now I am counting how many contiguous d I have. In this case, is only 1. I calculus the index j that is 4 less 3, it's equal 1. And now is 4 plus 1, it's equal 5. Means that here will be appear 5. Here the 4. 5 and 4. No, in this I am let's start with the figure here, and okay, no, I do the positive way. Now here is okay, I need to reach, yeah, it's a 4, while it's minor that num, I plus num, I plus, and now in the position result, I it's equal m less index, and index plus. now and decrease. For example, in this case, it's only one. Is that is the current number 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, I 5, 4, and here are string. I think that I only need to initialize inside the value of result. Oh, int to char. Uh, well, yeah, I think that I can use the ASCII is the number 1 here, 49. This case is 49 plus this and no, is 48 because it's if it's 48 plus 1 is 49. That is 1. This is a char. Same. Here is 48 plus this. This is 0, 1, 7, 1, reach it. I think that is for this. And index minor that result.length. DDAI. Same. This is minor that result. Because I am using the here is working 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. I am using a few values that don't exist anymore. Mm, uh, for this, where this is 4 and take the number and increasing. Is the number is 4 and increasing. No, this is, I think that for avoid this, I can use maybe one stack and put the values like 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and only take all the time the the top in the stack, that in this case is the minimum values. And with this, I can avoid the situation that I reuse an. Okay, let me use an stack. First in, last out. Layer, no, char. I think that is character because this stack. I'm not sure that I can use the primitive. Okay, no, I was right. Stack, well, new stack, and only stack push with a 4. Layer I, it's time equal I graded that 0. I less, and here is stack push. Okay, in this case I have 9. This way now, where I found this, I think that I can remove here. Where is I need to use the last character or the top in the stack. Is pop, and index increase, and I remove this. Now, where happened this, that is a letter D. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Now here I take this and continue with the next. But where happened this, I need to count how many, yeah, and the in this case is this means that is n plus 1. Okay, and here it's this is okay, but here I need to use instead this, I need to use the minimum. What is this? The current should be greater than the next. Means that I need to start in the last and reduce and reduce. Here is, yeah, I need to change this. If this, I need to create another 4, and in this 4 is I get k, it's equal wrong, equal, well, this is I plus this. In this case, for example, if it's only 1, they only have here, for example, I am here, and the index is 0, 1, 2, and 3. The index is the 3. This case is 4 less 3, it's equal 1. 3 plus 1, it's equal 4. Means that 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is this. Okay. In this, I need to come back, taking the top in the. This is okay. Meanwhile, K, it's greater equal I. I think that is greater equal K less. And here, I need to use result in the index K. It's equal stack pop. And index equal I. It's equal to plus equal K plus 1 thing, because K is this, but this is solved because where here this automatically resolve the next, means that I move to the next. For the reason appear plus 1, and the index is similar in this. Um, 48 plus this, and here is plus empty. Okay, in this case, I think that maybe okay, this is blank space, 7, 6, 8. Three, this is wrong, wrong, 2, 7, 6, 8. What is happening? Yeah, sure. Here is index. Less. Okay, yeah, it's for the index. Case if J, okay, this for example, X could be index doing so here. Ah, the first is that is index, no I. Ah, now this is wrong. This is wrong. This is okay because is this and that's it. Now where is D? Take this. I need to count how many letters I get difference, and the difference is 1 plus the current 3 plus 1 it's equal 4. That starting here is position. Okay, x a. Hmm, I am doing something wrong here. Case for this, and now first is 1, 2, 3. Now the next that is 1d. D here, okay, the difference between this and this is 1. And if the index is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. In this index that is 4, I need to use the next, okay? Here I am saying that in the index 4, put the, sorry, blank, here is 4. Now in this, we have the 5, because it's decreasing. No, I think that here, no sequence is plus x plus plus, and here is index. Then this stack up. Forty-eight, 7 is 9. Okay, only for be sure, let me the book. I only need to watch. Result is this. Okay. I think that the problem is the index. This case is problem. First, 1, 2, 3, and now in the 4 appear here, yeah, because this is D. Now here I need to count 2. Okay, in this case J is equal to 4. Why 4? Yeah, sure. Sorry. Stack is empty. Token can be empty. or no, or n index, it means that result length mm, and index is this. Hmm. 2, 3, 4. Okay, now this is this. Here I need to count to j is 0, y 0. This don't make sense. This is here 1, 2, 3, and the 4 is 40. Now here j is equal to 0, y. Yeah, sure. Take here j is I, case is j plus plus is for something happening here. 1, 2, 3, got it. This okay. J is equal 1, j is 4. Okay, I think that here it's enough with j. So j contain the index 4. Here is j is 4, less 3 is 1. Okay, this is execute only one time. Result in the index is 3. Wrong. Should we have j j is equal 1. X is j. Now here is j 1, j plus 1, y plus 1. Well, I think that I will continue in another transmission because it's a little late. But thanks for following with this transmission, and I hope to see you in the next. Bye bye.